Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So, this is the part 2 of my Copenhagen vlog, and today we have just woken up, got ready. I don't know what we are going to do today. Let's see. We have come down, and first thing we are going to do is eat our breakfast. So, we are going to go in this shop called 7-Eleven, and from there we're going to pick up our breakfast and then start with the day. For breakfast I've ordered coffee, cappuccino and some taquitas. So let's eat now. We are done with the breakfast now, and we are going to one aquarium. It is the National Aquarium of Denmark, and I will see you all over there. So guys, we are done with the aquarium also, and now we are leaving for our now we are leaving for the airport, and we will go back home now. The trip has come to an end, and I feel so sad about it. It was real fun to be in Denmark and explore this place. Guys, I am in the metro right now, and I wanted to show you something interesting in this metro. So here you can see I'm sitting just in the front, and there is no driver in this metro. This is fully automatic metro. So interesting. Guys, we have reached the airport, and now we all are very hungry. So we have ordered a pizza. We will eat, and then we will board a flight. Guys, I'm back home and it was an amazing trip. I thoroughly enjoyed each and every moment spent in Copenhagen. If you all are visiting Copenhagen, don't forget to go to Tivoli Gardens. It was the best part of Copenhagen trip. Also, if you're going to Tivoli Gardens, don't forget to eat in a restaurant called Vaga Mama. The food was delicious over there, and it really reminded me of Indian masala Chinese. So this is it for the video. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye.